Kakanwan Menteri Kebele Kendo haka arp kundai trek unai wiang arhajar arpuar kala ai gejeng Mynjur banbo ya ki border outpost saking nyau tadi kejaka ki badan haka Thaiñ Khappud bat kejela Assam. Menteri rang ba kejela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma habayakran bagino patai kubor ulong ba Sorkar jela kala ai gejeng Mynjur banbo nyau tli border outpost sagi jaka badan kaje kenat ki bagentop ya ke Moriap ha East Jante Hills kemukro ba tiwe ha West Jante Hills Karini jirang hari boy bat ke wali leja dubi bat langpi ha West Khasi Hills. Nalor kani an kentiu kardan ru ya ke polis outpost ha patar kama ha distrik Riboy bat ha Kershai ha distrik West Khasi Hills. Bat ke Sorkar kelarai ru ban mang ha ban penyeng ya ke ka polis outpost ha Athiabari ha distrik West Khasi Hills. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uliathu baga jinglut na kebenta ke border outpost kan long ko ba ar klur tengka sisnem. Batkan kot kat sau klur tengka na kebenta nyau teli ke border outpost. Baru loong baga Sorkar kandangnya selok syua bagi traishnong ban yo ekajaka na kebenta ban bo yagi outpost. Bat labata yau Director General Kipulet bonet Cekatan Blok 2. Bat ke Sorkar kan sepenmi eka tobaar jengki kerteng shnong ban bo yagi outpost. Ulong pada kejingbo igi border outpost onla banwanra igi jingshingan yagi patba igi basa hagi Thaiñ Khappud.
And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Jente Hills in Muriap, in West Jente Hills in Mukro and TY BOP number 3. This is in West Jente Hills. In Riboy, in Rani Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Lejadubi, and number 3 in Langpi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athiabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patarkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kershai. And we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest. Apart from that, there were some other areas, especially in Riboy district, bordering Block 2. And there were suggestions that had come up, but we had to double check with the entire local communities also, and at the same time we had to double check with the sensitivities of the areas to ensure that we are able to cut the correct locations. And hence, though the proposals came in, we have asked the DGP to make a visit to those areas and come back with a proposal, especially in the border area with the areas of differences within Block 2 area, which is mainly falling under Riboy district. So Riboy also, we will come out with a second list soon, and that will be done after more detailed study is done of the Riboy area.
Manpower, total strength of the...
Yeah, so basically what we have to realize is that in the past, in many locations, the BOPs were set up. But the BOPs were set up without actual sanction. And hence the manpower was brought in from the district or from other police stations or other outposts and posted there on a form of a temporary basis. So when we say we are sanctioning this, that means there will be budgetary provision kept for the post. Post will be sanctioned and recruitments will be done to fill this up. But of course, in the meantime, while that takes place, manpower from other areas will be adjusted. But these will be sanctioned posts, and hence they will have to be filled up.
There's a suggestion from Sorkar.
Ha kawai pat kaliang Menteri rangba uliathu balabun sien ula penbor ke Sorkar pedeng ban piano ya ke joint kader ha pedeng ke jela Assam bat Meghalaya bat ule krenru ikene gamat Menteri rangba do kari bat ke Sorkar pedeng kadang kemi benya halor kene ke benta.
I have written a number of times to the Home Ministry, and I have also mentioned this to Honorable Prime Minister many times, and they have informed me that they are looking into the matter. But we have not been able to yet get it done. We'll continue to pressurize Government of India that it is in the larger interest, in the long-term interest of both the states that we have our separate cadres.
Hakabaydai bagajing keren penbet puat jangka wat kebaar padang gejala Meghalaya bat Assam ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong bagajing penbet upud usam kala ban cimpor hadin balami jingja ke arpuar trip unai wieng hagasnong mukro uloong balakmi lenti bagajing keren kedeban sedang mentau benai nrai namar bagalami no ke jingja mukro kumta ke jinglong jingman kala kelalut bat kumta onhab ban penslam bat onhab ban ekran bat ke Sorkar India bat ke Sorkar Assam bat ban pet ekapor ke babiang tam ban ekran halor ke kampen bet put ha kabedai bag jinglong jingman ha gejela ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong bag Sorkar kadang kemi bat pet tho bha ya ke jinglong jingman ha gejela bat ule kentu ya baro ban long ki bajai ban penek ke syong suk syong san ha gejela bat ki kam thombor kim dei satya kelenti bag gejela ke di banya cekmat uloong ru bagi bor pulet kin selek rega beteng ikitu ki badan keti hagi kam thombor bat ans pengat yaki kat kungki kendon an.
We are seeing that situation is calmer compared to before, but of course it doesn't mean we can be complacent. So we will ensure that we are vigilant and keep monitoring the situation. And I also urge our citizens and our elders and different civil society and different NGOs and all the people of Shillong and Meghalaya as a whole that this is an important phase for us and violence is not the way for us to move forward. We're not achieving anything by being violent. The people who are suffering are our own people and there's no reason for us to do that to make our own people suffer. And hence, yes, it's a difficult time, but this is the time we need to work together and move forward as a state and as a people.
Menteri Rang Bado, Letho Ru Bakakanhun Menteri Kalai Jing Mynjur ke Meghalaya Mental Health and Social Care Policy, bat kene kamat trikam kalong kebakong sanbha, ya kebabuan kim ken kor than hagisnem ke balalet. Ulong bagjela Meghalaya kedai kebalai hakeri banwanra ke Mental Health Policy. Bat lengba kene kamat trikam an pentikna ban plek jingmut ke bedai bakitu ke basyakta ke bor perkat. Ke Sorkar jela ke Mynjur ban penklat mai no iki kendon jong ke Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme arajar kat kendai. Na ke benta ban ajing yarap yakitu ki basyale be ijot.
And as a state and as a government, we strongly feel that mental health issues are usually neglected and hence comprehensive policy was required to address this issue. I am happy to tell you that we are the third state in the country to have come out with this policy. And I'm sure that this particular policy will ensure that the proper attention that should be given to mental health, especially when it comes to young children, adolescent, teenagers. And of course, this is a subject that is very vast and covers different aspects of individuals' lives and different aspects that lead to issues concerning mental health. So the policy was approved today by the Cabinet.